Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2 on this. The gentleman was happy, but he said that he has a fiber laser, which I don't really know how that's different. And you can see that, I don't really understand it. He said it's filled with black and not really lines. If we look at several fills and several outlines, let's go to Object Group and ungroup it. And see it's got several fills and several outlines. So what I would do, if that's true, I've never fiber lasered, you're going to make this black and that's going to be a black line. And I believe the fiber laser is going to mark it just like that. But if you need just fill and not a line, you can see these are 4-point lines. You can go to object. You need to have it broken apart. You need to be able to grab the lines separately and convert the outline to an object. And then you can left click, right click, and then you can actually fill it with your, so look down here, there's a line and no fill. We can fill it and then take the line away. It's going to make them a little bit skinnier. But so now it's going to look the same, I think, under wireframe. They're just boxes. I don't know what else to do. And then what I would do is, set my nudge factor and I would actually move that over and then fill this with your smart fill tool on a black and then move it over and you're going to leave the lines. So this has all fill, this has all fill and no lines. A CO2 laser, a normal laser will mark that black line. It would be the exactly same thing, no matter if it's a fill or a line, because it's a solid black. But maybe fiber laser is different. I don't know. I would not think so. But in any case, that should work. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.